My name is Dr. Ibtesam Amjad. I am Assistant Professor of Gastroenterology, Lahore General Hospital. Thank you, all of you people, for making PhD 2023 a huge success. International faculty, national faculty, delegates, and all the gastroenterologists of Pakistan. They have come in huge numbers. Halls were full, people were happy, and we all had a great time. We introduced new procedures, we got to learn from each other, and we are happy that we go home with more knowledge, with more skill, and a vision to make gastroenterology better in Pakistan.